There you go, nice gentle bleed off here. I got flight controls.
How's it going, everybody? I'm Nathan Foster, and it has been a while since we have actually talked, like face to face. How's it going? I haven't heard from some of you, and it feels like forever. Of course, that was partially my fault because I kind of disappeared on you, but we're back. That landing it wasn't as bad. It wasn't as bad as I just made it look, but my instructor did have to take over, so I guess it wasn't so great either. But you'll see that later in the video. This lesson did not necessarily go as planned. The weather kind of crept in, so we decided to do some landings. This is going to be kind of a short video. Let's just cut to it.
Chesapeake traffic 74 uniform departing runway 5 to the south.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
Yep, so a little bit of a left crosswind. Aileron all the way into the wind.
Okay.
Yep.
Just all the way into the wind.
And then when you go full throttle, you can slowly just start bringing it out.
All right, here we go.
All right. Right rudder. Easy on the rudders.
Airspeed is alive. Rotate.
There you go. Nice job. Then point the nose just a little to the left. There we go. And that corrects for that side drift. Alright, the ceilings are kind of dropping, so or they're holding steady at 2,300. So we'll just go back and do a couple landings.
All right.
Sound good?
Yes, sounds good to me.
Right.
Chesapeake traffic 74 uniform on final for runway 5.
Somebody already cut the lights on for you, so that's nice.
Yeah, see that. All right, so flaps 20?
Nope, it's gusting a little bit, so
oh,
we'll leave
okay,
them at 10. So 2 red, 2 white, looking good.
All
looking
right.
for 65.
Okay, going for 65.
Yeah, if you pitch up that much, you gotta add throttle.
Okay.
There you go. This looks really good. And then a slight left crosswind, so this is something new. So a little left aileron and a little right rudder.
Okay.
That rudder gets your nose centered down the runway.
Okay.
And that aileron corrects for wind. So hold those inputs in here.
All right, I'm still too fast.
It's all right. Start bleeding the throttle out. Keep bringing it all the way out. There you go. And then we'll bleed the airspeed off here. There you go, nice gentle bleed off here. Alright, easy on the controls. I got the flight controls.
Alright, you have controls.
I got controls. And flaps up, we'll do it again.
Alright.
So you did a really good job. You had the correction in there for the crosswind. But once you actually are on the ground, you don't have to hold the rudder in so much. So you can see us going,
yes.
tracking. So you held the right rudder in there. That's why we were tracking off to the right.
Gotcha.
All right, you got the flight controls.
I have controls.
We'll give it another shot. So once you actually touch down, hold the aileron into the wind, but you don't need as much right rudder.
Okay.
When you're on the ground. I know it's kind of early on to practice landings.
Ah, it's all right.
But you're getting some good crosswind experience.
Okay, how high do we want to go here?
700, and then you can turn crosswind. But it's so slow.
Yeah.
I got a massive headwind. The ground speed's like 30.
Chesapeake traffic says 1407 Delta turning left base runway 5 Chesapeake.
Looking good, just a touch of left aileron, right rudder.
Okay. Left aileron, right rudder.
Just a little.
Okay.
So you see you gave too much.
Yeah.
You just need enough to correct for the crosswind.
Okay.
You can add some throttle, just a little. To help cushion your descent here. Nice small corrections here on final.
Okay.
Start bringing the throttle out. All the way out. And then we're going to start flaring here. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. A little more nose up.
Okay.
A little more. Hold that. There you go, and into the wind, just like that. All the way into the wind.
Oh, sorry.
The wind calmed down on that one just enough for you to Get some practice in there.
Yeah, that one felt a little easier.
So that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see a full version of this flight, an uncut version, I will have a link in the description and in the comments. Tell me your best advice on crosswind landings, or if you've ever landed a plane at all. What do you think? Does this make you nervous to land one, or are you like, hey, sweet, I got that, no problem? If you want to support me while I'm working on my private pilot's license and beyond, consider subscribing and checking out my GoFundMe. Link will be in the description. Okay, that's it for me. Love ya. Nathan out.